Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Amazon account. In this video I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on Account and List, then click Login and Security, and then enter your password. Then click Sign In. Then enter the verification code that was sent to your email. Then click Submit Code. And then you want to go to Password and click Edit. And then here you can type in your current password and your new password and click Save Changes. If you're logged out, you can try to access Amazon from another device or browser that you may already be logged into. So recap, if you're still able to log in, change your password and secure your account. And if you're unable to log in, it's time to try to reset your password. To reset your password, click Need Help, Forgot your password, and then enter either your email or your phone number, and click Continue. And then enter the verification code that was sent. The email should look something like this, and make sure it comes from accountupdates@amazon.com. And then click Submit Code. And then it will probably ask you for a security question, so just answer it. And then it will ask you to create your new password, and once you do, you can click Save Changes and Sign In. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. To recover your account without your email or phone number, you can call Amazon support at one of these two numbers depending on if you're in the US and Canada or if you're in any other country. And you can basically tell them something along the lines of, my account was hacked and the hacker changed my email and I'm unable to log in. And just ask them if they can change your account back to your email address, the previous email address on the account. And they will likely ask for your original email address and account or payment information in order to verify that you're the owner of the account. Here are some tips on securing your Amazon account. Secure your email. Verify that the email or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. Revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. And go through the compromised account guide and login and security. If you follow the steps throughout this video and you still haven't recovered your Amazon account, we do offer a paid service to help you recover your social media, email, and other personal accounts. You can book an appointment down below or visit the site on your screen now to book an appointment. We do not ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.